Okay, so we're gonna download a library. I'll show you the alternate method. Just go to EDA ECAD model. We're starting off with this microcontroller or this IC RF chip. And then you want to go to like Ultra Librarian or SnapMagic. SnapMagic is easier. Select download format, choose step and KiCAD version 6 and later. Click download, click close. You're going to get your download files. Next, what we want to do is go to our existing schematic library for our project. Then import a symbol. You go to the KiCAD symbol, you just import it, download it, boom, it's imported. Easy. Nothing crazy. Now, you can zoom in, select the different pins on the symbol, and you can move them around. Okay, reorder them. And then adjust the box as needed. Why would we do this? It's just to make the microcontroller easier to work with and to read its symbols or its pins, right? And we place all our grounds on the bottom, or pins all on one side or something like that. You place pins on the top, rotating as needed. See? A lot neater. Well, a bit neater. Okay, now check the symbol properties. You can go ahead and get that datasheet link. Again, copy it from DigiKey's website, not the manufacturer's datasheet link. Go ahead, paste that URL. And then I'll go with the description as usual from DigiKey's detailed description. Put that in the description field for this part. Next, click OK. Then we go to the footprint editor. We need the right footprint for this thing. So you can right click, import a footprint, which we just downloaded from the website, and then boom, it gets imported. This is from SnapMagic. Go ahead and click save for that footprint library. And you could save the footprint as a different name, Save it in the SmartBrush KiCAD library and it'll get committed to it. Boom. Once that's done, we can then use that symbol footprint name, copy for the manufacturer part number, and right click and rename it actually. Let's go ahead and rename it. Put the manufacturer part number in front, then underscore, click OK. Makes life a lot easier, trust me. Save this footprint library again. Then now you could place the 3D model on there. Let's go ahead to footprint properties, set the reference designator to U, and then choose 3D models. Then add that 3D model, that step file that came with the downloaded part. Click open. Now it's rotated differently. You want to rotate that about either the Z axis or the X or Y axis, just depends. Play with it and see what happens, how it goes. There we go. Usually it maps pretty nicely. Click OK for that 3D model. So that's in the properties. Go ahead, save this footprint again, double checking the 3D property, 3D view, making sure it's mapped on there correctly. Rotate that as needed with the left mouse button. Okay, we're done. Now let's go back to our schematic symbol manager or library. You go in here, click on that part, the properties, choose the footprint by clicking on the footprint icon, the library icon. Select by typing the SmartBrush library name for the footprint library. Go ahead, get that part. Now it's still not updated. That's kind of annoying with the name, but click OK. And then the footprint gets associated with the schematic symbol. Go ahead, click save for that schematic symbol. And next, let's do this part with another part. This is our IC linear regulator. Click and download that from, say, Ultra Librarian, for instance. Select step. So you get the 3D model, KiCAD version 6 plus. Click download. Ultra Librarian is a little different from SnapMagic. SnapMagic doesn't have what we need. So we're going to Ultra Librarian, go back to your schematic symbol, import a symbol, download, import KiCAD symbol, right click, save, rename this thing, LDO in front, click OK, then right click, rename the symbol. I forgot to mention, put LDO at the end probably. Okay, click OK. Then you can right click, rename your CC symbol. Make sure to do that, MCU. Okay, now going back to our LDO, let's go ahead and check the properties. We want the datasheet URL as always. Go ahead and put that right in the datasheet URL. There we go. Description, copy and paste that description from the detailed description in DigiKey. Then we have to click OK. Then we have the schematic PCB footprint. Okay, Smart Brush, import the footprint, the .KiCAD mod. Go with the nominal or least, excuse me, for density, for higher density boards. Save the footprint.